If you're looking to improve your English speaking skills, here's a step-by-step guide to help you create your own course or follow a structured approach. 1. Beginner level. Focus on basics, learn common greetings, introductions, and simple daily conversations. Work on pronunciation and basic sentence structures, e.g., subject, verb, object. Practice simple grammar like verb tenses, present, past, future, and articles, a and the. Listening and speaking. Watch videos or listen to beginner English podcasts or songs. Practice speaking aloud by mimicking native speakers. Sample activities. Speak about your daily routine. Practice asking and answering basic questions. Second intermediate level, expand vocabulary. Focus on expanding vocabulary in specific areas like travel, work, or hobbies. Learn to describe things in more detail, e.g., adjectives and adverbs. Grammar and conversation. Work on more complex grammar. Examples, conditionals, passive voice. Start conversations about familiar topics. Examples, talk about a movie or recent news. Listening and speaking. Watch English TV shows or movies with subtitles. Participate in conversation exchange groups online or in person. Sample activities. Give directions or explain how to do something. Share your opinion on current events or personal experiences. Third, advanced level fluency and complex conversations. Focus on improving fluency and discussing complex topics. Examples, politics, technology, culture. Practice giving presentations, storytelling, or debating. Advanced grammar and vocabulary. Learn advanced idioms, phrasal verbs, and formal-informal language distinctions. Refine grammar with topics like subjunctive mood or advanced punctuation. Listening and speaking. Listen to podcasts, radio shows, or news broadcasts in English. Speak regularly with native speakers, or participate in discussion groups. Sample activities. Lead a group discussion on a professional or academic topic. Create a mock interview for a job or university application. 4. Daily practice. Tips. Record yourself. Practice speaking and record yourself. Listen back to identify areas for improvement. Use language apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or HelloTalk can be helpful for vocabulary and speaking practice. Engage in real conversations. Join English-speaking communities or forums. Talk to native speakers online via apps like Italki or Tandem. Would you like help with a specific aspect of your English speaking course, like lesson plans, activities, or resources?